guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today you see a workshop that I built over the Christmas break. Actually, it took me about a little over a weekend to do. However, today we're going to be going over, listen to this, all the DeWalt products that I used to build this room, including this island that you see right in front of us. This is a 3-foot by 3-foot island, and all the DeWalt product that I use are on this shelf that built this room. Got this product here, 6.5-inch circular saw, the DeWalt hammer drill, DeWalt reciprocating saw, DeWalt sander, this one here, brushless by the way, and this one here, 20 volt max. So these are all the products that I used to build this room. So I'm going to go over some of the ones that I really like a lot. Obviously the circular saw kicks major ass. This is a portable battery operated saw. Now every single one of these products here used a 20 volt max battery. Now I have quite a few of them, and this one I've had for like 12 years. This drill is unbelievable, and it's been with me a long time, and I still use it. The chuck is starting to die on it, but I still use it. Great gun. I have another one here. This is the XR. This is a DCD980 drill. Also very good. Has an LED on the front here. Works really well. This I just picked up, and I love. This is a 1/4-inch drive. You can put all your devices in it. This is all 1/4-inch plugs, you know, 1/4-inch drives. So you can only drill with it if it's a 1/4-inch, you know, so it locks into place. You can't use anything else. So I want to show you how incredible this product is, this hammer drill. It kicks major ass. So let me use a regular drill gun with this first. All right, so you can understand. So I'm going to use a 20-year-old drill gun. Works incredible. All right, so let's use this newer one. Put on torque. Now, did you notice any RPM change at all when I did that? Did you notice any RPM change when I did that? No, you probably didn't. Let's do that again. Ready? New hole. It's insane. All right. So the model number of this, I'll have a link in the description below to purchase every one of these bad boys. Model number on this is DCD980. So let's go to the hammer drill, which is the main reason why I wanted to do this video. DCF787, 1/4-inch. Now this is a completely different style. All right, so it'll screw in normally, and then when it gets torque, it'll start to hammer. Insane, folks. Insane. We'll do it again. Ready? Best drill ever. See how fast that is? So as soon as it needs torque, the hammer part goes. Sorry about the lights going off, these are on motion. All right, so let's try this again. Ready? Insane. Great product. Circular reciprocating saw. Rocks. This is model number is DCS369. So I plan on polyurethaning this whole thing. So this thing is pretty cool. And it's variable. simple product. I'm actually using an old piece of sandpaper to show you this. And this already made a difference because there was a lot of sawdust here. And I didn't really do it for that long a period of time. Because I plan on, because I want to get any, splinters and stuff like that. I mean, nobody wants to get splinters. And it's already nice and it's smoother than it was, that's for sure. And I already did one half. I didn't even do this side because all the tools are here. But yeah, it works really great. I'm a huge DeWalt product guy. I mean, I'm so big into it. I even have chainsaw. You know what? I'll bring out the rest of the equipment that you're going to see. I can't demonstrate it because we're in the winter time, but let me bring it over and let you see it. All right. So we have the weed whacker, DeWalt weed whacker. These all use the same battery, and I have a whole ton of them. I have 3 amp hour, 2 amp hour, 4 amp hour, and 5 amp hour. So this is a weed whacker. Great, great product. I'll have a link in the description below for every single one of these DeWalt products. So I got the weed whacker. I got the hedge trimmer. Hedge trimmer works amazing, folks. Absolutely amazing. Excellent, excellent product. If you're looking to do some hedge trimming and you need portability, this thing kicks butt. All right, so we have a hedge trimmer. These are all I'm using the smallest battery possible. This thing kicks ass. I'll have every single product you see here. I'll have a link to the description below. This is model number DCH-TH2820. I also have the chainsaw. This is a DeWalt chainsaw. Also this can go up to a pretty beefy battery. Probably wouldn't recommend using the small one, but I want you to see it. Amazing product. I use this a lot. I don't have it on here because of the gear oil, but I did a review on this product as well. So I'm a huge fan of DeWalt products because everything that they make works 100% all the time. I've never had a product. Oh yeah, there's one other thing I do have. I forgot. I do have a power washer as well. It's still in the box. I did open it and do a review on it. Just that the stuff that's inside of it is very fragile and I don't want it to break. So I put it right back in the box. But this works rather well. Not good for like cleaning, like stone or anything. This is probably really good for cleaning your car. Because the max PSI is 550. So it's not strong enough to blow, the weeds out of the grout of your pavers in the backyard or in the driveway. It's not strong enough to do that. You need a gas-powered one for that. But this would be perfect for cleaning your car, your rims, that kind of stuff. It won't damage anything. It's not that strong, but it's perfect for that purpose. So we have this as well. So huge, like I said, huge DeWalt guy, and it's waterproof. So the battery compartment, battery goes in here, closes it and protects it. And this is power washer. Hose gets here, has a converter and everything for it, and works really, really well. Oh yeah, can't forget this too. So this is a circular saw. This is actually really strong. You can see it's very dirty. I've been using it like non-stop. It's got stuff all over it. This is a great, great, great saw. It's only 6.5. It has a lot of torque for what it is. I cut every piece of wood that you see in here. Everything. With this saw. So everything that you see here, I'll have a link in the description below. DeWalt products are expensive. If you have batteries like I do, then you just order the tool only, and you don't get battery, case, all that extra stuff if you don't need it. But if you do need it, I'll have a link in the description below to purchase it. DeWalt is the way to go, people. Absolutely best way to go. I can't express it enough. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.